Hey guys, so I wanted to share some progress that I did a while back on my Night Fox Yoho girl cosplay. I made this costume in about less than a day. So here I am making the tail covers for Yoho. I already had a harness, so I just had to make new tail covers. So I used some blue faux fur fabric and cut out patterns for the covers for the tail. So here they are flat, and here they are filled with polyfill. And then I decided to make my own pattern for the dress slash bodice part. Here's how it looks pinned on the dress form and all sewn up afterwards. Now I had very little time to do everything, so of course it looks a little like budget. I did add some purple LED fairy lights to the tails to kind of give it like a nighttime starry look, and I think it looks really cool. And here I am just testing out how the tails fit on the harness that I already had from doing a prior Fox Girl cosplay. It's pretty good movement. And here are how the tails look with the lights off, and an up-close shot of the bodice. I wish I had a clear strap for the middle, but unfortunately I didn't, and here is the finished product without the armor.